Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. As it's weekend, I have a short review for you. I will be reviewing the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask 2X. In this video, I'll show you what all it claims, what all benefits it has, how to use it and the results. So please keep on watching. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also do follow me on Instagram for regular updates. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. First, I'll be talking about the packaging. This is the outer packaging, guys. It's a 20 ml tub. There are two variants. One is 20 ml and another one is 100 ml. The 100 ml packaging is bigger and this is what it is. All the details are written on the packaging, including the name, the ingredients, as well as how you will be able to use it, their price and everything. This one costed me 350 rupees. When you will open the box, we'll have an inner packaging like this. It's a cute jar where 20 ml seems a lot. The size is quite big. However, when you will see at the bottom, only this part is where the product will be. Got with the Innisfree bestseller duo, where there was a serum and this clay mask. Let's talk about the price point. For 350 you get 20 ml. Quite a high amount of price, but Innisfree products are not kind of drugstore. Totally, you will be able to get 4 to 5 uses if you will apply it on your whole face and neck. Talking about the claims, it claims that it's really good for acne prone skin and oily people because it has volcanic ash in this. As it's a clay mask and has volcanic ash in this, it basically soaks up all the sebum from your skin so that there will be no extra oil secretion and you will get a smooth base. It claims to purify, tone and tighten the skin. Also, it has a cooling effect, which when I also applied it, it seemed that it was rather cooling on the face. One of its ingredient is methanol. I'm not aware about all the ingredients because most of them have chemical names, but one was walnut shell powder, which was like, it's used in scrubs and people don't use it due to micro tears on the face. I don't use it, but when I applied the clay mask and the walnut shell powder, it did not irritate the skin because it's just there. You are not scrubbing it on your face so that you will get micro tears. That is something that I'm not sure. I'm like 50-50 about that. In how to use it, it's written that after cleansing, apply onto dry face, avoiding eyes and lip area. After 10 or so minutes, gently massage with fingertips while rinsing off with lukewarm water. Use 1 to 2 times a week. So what I did, I applied it for good amount of 15 minutes and then taking a wet tissue or a wet towel in lukewarm water, I'll just gently massage it onto my face so that it can be removed and then splash on some water to remove it completely. Guys, this is how I use the mask. Talking about the overall results and if you should buy it or not. First of all, if you are a dry skin person, I would suggest not to buy because it will tighten your skin and it might dry up more. If you are a combination or an oily skin person like me, you can buy it. For combination, only apply it on the T-zone, and for oily, you can apply it on the whole face depending upon your preference. My skin did feel soft and cleansed. I'm not sure about the tightening in one use, but it will not give you a long-term effect. It will be a short-term effect which will be there for 1 to 2 days. I did improve the appearance of my pores as well as the texture of my skin, but it was there for like around 1 day or so. It claims to remove whitehead and blackheads, which I'm not sure at all. Do whatever may you do, you will not be able to remove blackheads if you will not use that blackhead remover tool or else to use Brazilian wax on your nose. I mean, I won't be able to, I can scrub all day long. The blackheads will be there. It will not be removed at all. Comparing cons as well as the pros, the cons will be the quantity. Obviously, the quantity comparable to the price is less. Second will be that it will not give you a long-term effect. It is a short-term effect. Third is that I'm not sure about the walnut shell powder that it has. And talking about the pros, it did make my skin feel softer. It did improve the texture of my skin and the appearance of the pores. It gave a cooling effect which is really good in summers. It controlled the sebum for 1 to 2 days and pores were cleansed deeply. Comparing the pros and cons, pros did win and I will give it 7 out of 10. And obviously I will be using it because A, you should pamper your skin sometimes. DIY mask can be hassle and these masks are just hassle free. And B, it does make my skin feel good for just 1 to 2 days, but it does make a difference for that amount of time. So obviously we'll be using this cute little jar. That's all today for this short weekend review. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell for regular updates and comment down below what other product you want me to review. That's all. Thank you. Bye.